Hi, I'm Mark Tilley and welcome back to Dirtbike Magazine's video series, The 19s, where we take you up close and personal with all the 2019 motocross models. Today we're getting our first chance to ride the 2019 Husky FC450. Now for most of you, this bike doesn't look brand new. So the first time we saw this bike was December of last year. Husky released it as the Rockstar Edition just in time for Supercross so that their factory team can race it. There's not very many changes from that model to this model that you're seeing today. So compared to the 2018 model, the 2019 model has an all new frame working on flex characteristics, brand new swing arm, new bodywork throughout, new styling, a new motor configuration. So they lost some weight in the head and moved the camshaft down, losing more weight. The bike returns with hydraulic clutch, Brembo brakes, front and rear, WP air fork, a WP shock, DID Dirt Star rims with updated spoke nipples for better durability, MX3S Dunlop tires with Pro Taper bars, Odi Lock-On Grips, and the map switch on the bar that allows you to access traction control and change between two different maps. For more technical information, head over to dirtbikemagazine.com. It's time to go ride this thing. So we just got our first day of testing done on the Husky FC450. I gotta hand it to Alden. He's got a great facility here, the Baker's Factory. Thanks for having us. This was a world launch for Husky and the track got really rough really quick. The harshness that we felt on the Rockstar Edition, we didn't really feel on this model. The ground is a little softer out here. It's a little bit more sandy mix than what we're used to. So we can't tell if that harshness is gone completely. When we get it back home, we can tell a little bit more suspension settings and mess around with a couple more things. We did slow the shock down because it was kind of kicking a little bit in the rear. The fork setup was pretty much to our liking. Like we always say, the WP AER 48 air fork is one of the best air fork setups on the market. We like being able to change the map on the fly and access traction control from the button right on the handlebar. The Pro Taper bars add a little bit of flex in the front for rider comfort. Again, this is our first day of testing on this motorcycle and at a track that we've never been at before, in dirt that we've never ridden on before. The facility, like we said, was great, but we plan on putting a lot more time on this motorcycle, getting it back to California and riding it on tracks that we're familiar with. For the complete test on the 2019 Husky FC450, check out an upcoming issue of Dirtbike Magazine. And for all the latest off-road industry news, go to dirtbikemagazine.com. For more of our 19s video series, check these out.